Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find the surface area of a cylinder. To find the surface area of a cylinder, we must find the area of the two circular ends, the top and the bottom, and then add them up to the curved surface area. So how many parts make up a cylinder? In fact, there are three parts. The top circle, the bottom circle, and the curved surface area. You can see here that the circle, of course, the area is pi r squared. And the bottom circle, same thing, pi r squared. The curved surface area has a special formula. It is 2 pi rh. 2 pi rh. In fact, the curved surface is actually a flat surface, but has been rounded, has been curved around the circles. So 2 pi rh is the formula for the curved surface area. Now, let's put the formula together and work out the surface area of some cylinders. The formula is 2 pi rh, which represents the surface area for the curved surface, plus 2 pi r squared. Why 2? Because there are two circles, the top one and the bottom one. So 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r squared. Like all formulas, you need to memorize them. Now, let's do some examples to understand how to apply this formula to real-life examples. Okay, the first example. Have your calculator ready? We're going to need it. Find the surface area of this closed cylinder. Find the surface area of the closed cylinder. What do they mean by closed cylinder? A closed cylinder meaning that it has a circle on top and a circle on the bottom. It is fully enclosed. So we're going to work out the total surface area of the whole shape. The curved surface and the circle on top and the circle on the bottom. We are going to use our formula. What's our formula? 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r squared. Now what are we going to do? We're going to substitute the radius and the height to work out the actual answer. 2 times pi times the radius. Now the radius is how much? It's 6 meters. And the height of the total cylinder, it is 9 meters. Now that works out, this is the first part. This works out the curved surface area only. But we want the total cylinder. So we're going to add the two circular ends. 2 times pi times the radius. Again, the radius is 6 squared. 2 pi r squared will give us the area of the two circles. Now, grab your calculator. We have the curved surface and the two circular ends. Let's do it with our calculator. 2 times pi times 6 times 9 plus 2 times pi times 6 squared. And our answer is 565.49 square meters. That is our total answer. That is the area, the surface area of the curved surface plus the two circular ends. So the total surface area, 565.49 square meters. Try it with your calculator and you'll get it correct. And remember, to two decimal places. Very important that you remember that you need to round off. And we rounded off here to two decimal places. Now, let's do another example. The next example says, find the surface area of this open cylinder. Open meaning it is open from the top. That means it's like a cup. It is open from the top, but it's closed from the bottom. So now we have to modify our formula to make sure we only work out the surfaces that we need. Let's start. We have the curved surface. We know it is 2 pi rh. That will work out the curved surface of the cylinder. Now we only want one circular end, the base. We don't want the top. So we're going to only add pi r squared. Not 2 pi r squared, but only pi r squared. Pi r squared for only one circular end, the base. Now let's work it out. 2 times pi times the radius. Now the radius here is 5 and the height of the cylinder is 12. Plus the circular end down the bottom is pi times 5 squared. Grab your calculator and let's do this one together. 2 times pi times 5 times 12 and plus pi times 5 squared. Our answer, the surface area for this cylinder is 455.53 square meters to 2 decimal places. So the surface area of this open cylinder, which means we are only working out the curved surface area plus one circular end. It equals 455.53 square meters to 2 decimal places. Remember, we are working out the surface area, so you need to always remember to put your square units on top there. Don't forget, this is the formula. Make sure you memorize it. 2 pi r/h plus 2 pi r squared for a closed cylinder and 2 pi r/h plus pi r squared for a open cylinder with only the working out of one circular end down the bottom or sometimes even over the top. But remember, the formulas can be modified. But the main formula is 2 pi r/h plus 2 pi r squared.